Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable geolocation in your web browser on your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web browser on your PC. Then go to the top right corner and click on three bar menu. Now at the bottom you can see settings option. Now click on this. Now go to the left side and click on privacy and security. Now at the middle you can see site and shell settings. Click on this. Now under the permission tab you can see location option. Click on this. Here you can two behavior settings. One is don't allow sites to see your location. That means your location will not see any site. Another is site can ask your location. There are three subsections. One is collapse all requests in the address bar, collapse unwanted request recommended, expand all requests. Now to enable geolocation, you can select this. And then also you can select any of these. This is recommended. Collapse unwanted request. This is recommended. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.